Wanji? Take out. Take out, say you baby.
Legacy. Mene.
What on? Wanji Shadu. Wanji Shadu. Woo. Wanji. Bye.
Shadu is standing.
Take a more.
Shadu is standing. This is beautiful. Shadrach is standing. Shadrach.
Take one wakati. Tembeze. Pia. Take one. What on?
What do?
Bayo. So now guys, we are done planting our banana trees. Now we are going to water them since we lack some rain here. Shaila yirako. Shani, you are. Even this side, Shoni. Then put the bucket on the tap. Take. Shaila, also you get this water. First get this water. Oh, and this one. So meanwhile guys, Shayla and Sean are trying to water the banana trees. Let me start here. This is the place where I'm going to plant the carrots here in this space. So let me start preparing the soil and plant our carrots. Now guys, this is how our carrots looks like after 24 hours of soaking. So it's time to plant them in our bed right there. I am going to make some lines. So I'll make the lines guys like this. This is line 1. Then line 2.
Sheila!
Ama sitagayika. Shad, olaga waddaala. Oze kulima. Pala mbiri wali Sheila. Kiri eri kiri kyafunye. The other one. Kino kyafunye? Ateeka mu kino. Leta wano. Nagali amazzi amanawo galeeta ogayuda ekyo. That's enough. Thank you, Sheila. Thank you, Sean. Tulabe bucket yemu, eh? Now guys, this is our carrot bed. Actually carrots will grow from here, so I am going to make all other beds like this. I'm going to prepare them like this. So let me go off camera and dig them out. I'll bring you back to see what I have done. Sean, then I'm sinking. Oletema obubakuli toyiwa bintu biri bwe twanyise jjo ennyaanya biki wabirabye kati buleeta oba oleeta kamukama wa bubiri yangu So guys, this is our spinach. No, this is actually green pepper. So I'm going to put my green pepper this side, right here. Let me first see. Sembera eri awo nga bw'osembera tena jangu eshoni ebyeshadraka ddala nawe lekerawo okunkwata Sheila manya ddira olina okwata ne Now guys, these are our tomatoes right here. So I'm going to use this bed. Akambe kaliwa shoni kakano kalabi. I am going to use this bed to plant these tomatoes actually. Osemerayo kulabira mwana wange. Spinach. Now I have spinach right here. I'm going to plant it here on this here. This is what binombyera bide babadde biki kati sembere eri bijjeeko beri So guys, the reason why I'm putting this is to avoid maybe hens or birds or anything to disorganize our seeds. That is why I'm putting these barriers right here. And also if heavy rainfall comes, it will not affect the seeds inside. Yangu.
Yeah.
What am I showing? Gonna just shut up. Let him go. So now guys, this is the beginning of my journey to farming. We have our vegetables. We are expecting them, most of them in 4 months to come. So so far that is how it is. They need more grass, but we don't have anywhere to find some grass. So that will be enough. We shall be checking on them, and we shall need to water them every morning and each evening. Some will come out within 2 weeks and others within 3 weeks. So I am just waiting for when they will come out so that I plant them according to the where they will grow up from until harvest. So that is it for now, guys. Let me turn the camera and show you our garden for now. So this is how it is, guys, from the road. One of our bananas right there, another banana tree that side, another one right here, and we have our vegetable seed beds from here, another banana tree with spinach seeds, carrots, and also some green pepper that side. So right now, guys, I am going to water our pharmacy. For you who doesn't know our pharmacy, in the other video, the first video where I was preparing my seeds and also preparing the other garden where you have seen me planting some banana trees, I also had to plant some herbs which treats different diseases, and the space where I put those herbs, I called that place pharmacy, because why not? Pharmacies sell drugs to treat diseases and to treat different illnesses, and I'm planting a pharmacy, a herbal pharmacy. So let me take you there, guys, and we water them and you get to see. I am actually getting our water from our water tap, which was which was given to us by Mama Teresa, and this is our water, guys. Oh, I don't know what God did for me to bring for me Mama Teresa in my life. I don't know. And I don't know how to thank her enough. Because everything I look at Mama Teresa, one of my subscribers, guys. So I'm taking you to our pharmacy. This is our pharmacy. You can see that they need some water. They have wilted. Is it wilted or what? They lack some water, so I am going to water them. Thank you so much, guys, for watching this video from the beginning up to the end. I'm waiting for you after 4 months to harvest, and also so many videos are coming up because I still need to plant some more vegetables and some more foodstuffs. I want some potatoes, I want cassava, I want beans and shadraka. Shadow, yantugende tata. So guys, I was telling you that I need to plant some more foodstuffs. So stay glued on this channel so that you watch this journey, so that in the future when my food grows, I will invite you to eat some. Bye bye for now. Let me prepare for tomorrow. Bye bye.